What is coding?
Coding is the process of writing instructions that tell computers what to do. These instructions are written in special languages called programming languages. Coding allows us to create software, websites, apps, and more. By understanding and writing code, we can make technology perform useful tasks or solve problems for people and businesses.
How coding works.
When you code, you break down problems into smaller steps and write commands the computer can follow. Programming languages like Python, Java, or JavaScript each have their own rules, but all translate your ideas into actions a computer can carry out. Coding is a way to communicate with machines using logic, structure, and creativity.
Why coding matters in tech careers.
The previous steps to web developers, web designer, and data analyst. Many companies rely on code to develop products, automate tasks, or analyze data. Even non-technical roles may benefit from basic coding knowledge, making it a valuable skill in today's digital world.
Is coding difficult to learn?
Learning to code can seem challenging at first, but many resources make it easier for beginners. There are simple languages designed for newcomers and plenty of free guides, courses, and communities. A willingness to learn and practice is more important than previous experience. Coding is a skill anyone can start building.
Getting started with coding.
To begin coding, choose a beginner-friendly language like Python and explore free tutorials online. Look for interactive platforms that let you practice writing code right away. Start with small projects, such as automating tasks or building a basic website. Over time, you'll develop problem-solving skills and unlock many opportunities in tech.